Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting with the essentials. Make sure your audio interface is selected and buffer set low enough for live tracking, typically 128 to 256 samples. Open the track you'll record to, enable input monitoring, and arm the track for recording. Insert a tuner or reference pitch plugin before any pitch correction so you can confirm tuning and key. Once done, create a duplicate backup track. That keeps a dry recording if you want to compare or bypass correction later. With the track armed, add your Autotune plugin to the insert slot. First, set the song key and scale so the plugin snaps to the right pitches. Choose automatic for live correction or low latency modes if available. Next, dial retune speed. Faster for the classic auto-tune effect, slower for subtle pitch smoothing. Tweak humanize and formant controls to retain natural timbre. Make sure the plugin latency compensation is active so timing stays tight. And listen while singing a few test phrases to confirm behavior. Now record in short takes, monitoring through the plugin to hear the corrected signal. Use Logic's take folders and comping to build the best performance from multiple passes. If you detect latency or glitches, switch Logic's low latency mode or lower the buffer, and retest input monitoring. If the correction sounds robotic or unnatural, ease back the retune speed, raise humanize, or use the graphical mode to correct only problem notes. Finally, bypass the plugin occasionally to compare dry versus processed tones and confirm your final balance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.